This video will show you how to use our automatic 8-position cell holder. This one, it is optional. First, go to the menu and then press this button, cell, and press this down button to choose different position for the reference solution and the testing solution. After that, you confirm it and then go back. Then you need to press the corresponding number for different positions. Like this, if I select 8 position, then the cell holder will stop at the number 8 cell holder. Then you can do the blanking or the testing. Thank you.